Hey everyone, Rocket Randall here, and I've got some exciting news for you. As you can see, I've got a new studio and new video equipment so that I can produce higher quality content. I did this because I want to do something different for you. At MaxQ Rocket, we've been your go-to for amazing 3D printed scale model rockets of real rockets that you can fly yourself. And a lot of you have been doing just that. But here's the twist. I've been doing all this magic behind closed doors, designing, testing, perfecting, and once the rocket's done, hitting you with a big reveal when it's ready to go. And while that's cool and all, this year, I'm pulling back the curtain. You're no longer just the audience, you're part of the process. Starting now, I'm bringing you along for the ride. As I design new rockets, I'll share the triumphs, the challenges, and yes, even the occasional spectacular failure. So what kind of videos can you expect? Some behind the scenes videos as I design and build the rockets so you can see them coming together. Some secrets on how to design 3D printed rockets so that they survive the inferno of launch and the ejection charge. And some general help on how to build and launch 3D printed model rockets. But the best part? This isn't about me, it's about you. Do you have something you want me to cover? Drop it in the comments. Do you have some feedback about a rocket while I'm designing it? I want to hear about it. Your feedback will be incredibly important to the future at MaxQ. I'm going to produce at least one video a week this year, so if videos about designing, printing, and flying 3D printed model rockets sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe for more. And that's all for now. Keep your eyes in the sky with MaxQ Rockets.